How to send your live location on WhatsApp. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to send your live location on WhatsApp so your friends or families can track your movement in real time. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded WhatsApp on your device. For iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and for Android user, you can download it from Google Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open WhatsApp. Now go to the chat of the person or group you want to share your live location with. Then tap the paperclip icon if you are using Android or the plus icon if you are on iPhone. From the menu, tap on location. Make sure your location services are turned on. Now tap on share live location. WhatsApp may ask for permission, tap allow if it does. Select how long you want to share your live location, 15 minutes, 1 hour or 8 hours. You can also add messages if you like, then just tap the send button and you are done. To stop sharing, just go back to the chat and tap stop sharing anytime, and that's it. This is how you send your live location on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.